Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. Decided to roll on with, continue on with Spam. So we got some bacon Spam. Picked this up at Winco. Figured, why not? I was just heavily debating what to make and decided, let's make breakfast. Because I love breakfast foods. I can eat breakfast foods any time of day. And I was thinking, is there any breakfast foods I don't like? And other than like a few ingredients like onions and like bell peppers, especially the green ones, I hear the lighter other colors are better, but yeah, just sausage, bacon, ham, French toast, pancakes, it's all good. So let's get to it. All right, so I said supportive cookware. This is actually a pan I got for camping. It's got a removable handle. So it's real good and thick too. It's like a $12 pan. Not available anymore though, unfortunately. And I got my cast iron skillet, and then I'm gonna do eggs. So for some reason I've had a real hankering for pancakes lately. Don't know why. So yeah, I'm just using a mix. Like I said, this is not a overly complicated meal. Go ahead and get this Spam opened up. Come on out. Oh yeah, got ourselves a big chunk of canned meat. Let's see. Nice. See if I can get 3 slices out of this. I could. I'll put the other half in the fridge for tomorrow morning. I'm gonna throw it straight in the pan. Alright. Hopefully the pan is hot enough. I'm feeling some heat coming from it. It's got some cooking spray. Get my egg pan turned on. So, more supportive cookware. I thought you're thinking I should have had another skillet for the pancakes. But, well, whatever. Maybe it's something I need to work on. Little trick with your pancakes, when you see the bubbles starting to pop, that's how you know your pancake is done. Now, this is actually my first pancake. I don't do that little test pancake, see if it's going to work. There's no need. Nailed it. Spam's cooking up. The hot spot on my stove is basically this portion. So I always keep things moving around so they get an even heat. Got my eggs. Egg pan is warming up. Let's see here. Yep. Pancake is done. I get 3 pancakes out of this, I think. Ooh, the back one got a little dark. Yikes. Couple of eggs. I work with somebody who has a farm, so she raises her own chickens. And I broke a yolk, darn it. Didn't mean to do that. Big feet kicking the camera. Alright. Yeah, a little too much butter in there. Eggs are done. Excuse me. Got a little too much butter in my eggs, but I'll just take advantage of it. And I put my eggs right on my pancakes. Been doing it for a long time. I'll just add a little extra flavor to my flapjacks. Should be about done. It looks like it is. Get that sucker out. Put it in my plate. There you go. Yes, I put black pepper pretty much on everything. Alright. Got my... That one got a little dark, but it'll probably won't affect the flavor. I don't use syrup on my pancakes. I like syrup, it's just, you know, alright, you know, I'm already fat enough, so I don't need the extra sugar. Plus, I'm out of real maple syrup. Alright. Just a nice, simple dinner today. Nothing super overly complicated. Just some pan-fried bacon spam, which I gotta taste. Got some nice crisp to it, I'll tell you that. There you go. No, it's alright. I mean, I know it's bacon flavored, but quite honestly, why not just make bacon? It is the king of meats. So. I'm sure it's alright though. The eggs and flapjacks to try. Wow, I just realized I didn't close out my own video. So I already threw the plate in the sink, but you know, it was pretty good. Yeah, spam wasn't too bad. Bacon's still my favorite, but it was alright. Anyway, do appreciate watching. Don't forget to check the links in the description and the end card, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.